To schedule an academic advising meeting with your College of Education advisor, begin by logging into advisingworks.wayne.edu. This opens up your dashboard. From there, click the blue button that says Get Assistance. On this page, select Advising for Appointment Type, then make an appointment with my assigned advisor, then select the most appropriate reason for your meeting in this final box. On this next page, select College of Education for location, and the next box will automatically default to your assigned advisor. Click Next, and from there, browse your advisor's available date and times. Select your appointment, then select whether you'd like an email or text message reminder, and confirm your appointment. If you are not already a Wayne State student and would like to meet with a College of Education academic advisor, please find the contact for the advisor within your desired major and email them a request for an advising appointment. Or stop into our office on Tuesdays from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. for open advising.